This sesame cauliflower is a vegetarian take on one of the most popular recipes on our website, sesame chicken. I find that the cauliflower lends itself really well as an alternative to chicken, as it's nice and tender but with a little bit of bite to it. We stir fry the cauliflower first to give it a nice charred flavour, and then we add in some stock to make it nice and tender, and then the rest of those sticky sauce ingredients get thrown in too. Absolutely love it. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a wok over a medium heat. Once it's hot, we want to add in about 650 grams, or about 1.5 pounds, of cauliflower florets that have been broken into bite-sized pieces, plus a good pinch of salt and pepper. Stir fry for 5 minutes until the cauliflower is starting to brown at the edges. Now add 120 ml, which is about half a cup of vegetable stock. Bring it to the boil and toss it together with the cauliflower regularly for about 3 minutes. Next in goes 3 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons each of honey and sweet chilli sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Bring it to the boil and reduce the heat to medium, and then allow the mixture to simmer, stirring often for about 5 minutes. Once that cauliflower is nice and tender, we're going to add a little bit of cornflour slurry just to thicken the sauce and help it to coat the cauliflower. So mix half a tablespoon of cornflour with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir it into the sauce. Cook for another minute, tossing everything together, and then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I like to serve this sesame cauliflower on top of some fluffy boiled rice and finish off with some spring onions and sesame seeds. And there you go, that's my stir-fried sesame cauliflower. A fantastic meat-free dinner with a delicious, sticky but slightly spicy sauce. Hope you enjoy it. Really tasty.